Well, starting off the video, we're doing a trip to the thrift. It is Christmas Eve currently 9 a.m. The thrift store is open at 9 a.m. And I'm not up North Florida anymore. Now I'm kind of in the middle of Florida, kind of by Orlando. We came into my aunt's house and we're gonna celebrate Christmas here. So I figured, you know what, let's hit up some thrift stores. So there's about 3 Goodwills, about 2 other thrift stores that I'm not familiar with, and a Salvation Army. So I'm hoping to try to hit all of them within today before we start doing family gatherings and stuff for Christmas Eve. So hopefully find some good things. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are having a blessed holidays. I hope you guys are spending time with families and loved ones. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead with the first thrift store.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Happy Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Not many shoes. I guess we'll start with the t-shirts. Just kind of go. We have basically this whole Goodwill to ourselves. So I just found this Boss USA. It's not in the best condition, but I just kind of like it. It's like an oversized short sleeve shirt. Has Sports USA, Boss USA Champions, Athletics USA Boss. But the only thing, it doesn't have a price tag. Oh, it does. Let's see how much it is. $4. Yeah, and it has like this name up here. It has this up here. I don't think I'll be able to get that out. It's kind of cool though, but sadly not worth $4. Got this reprint Grateful Dead like cutoff shirt, sleeveless. Here's some more of that Boss XXL jersey. Nothing crazy, especially for $5. I'm just gonna leave it. Well, literally as I was walking out, I saw them putting these out on the thing. No laces, no insoles, size 9, but I got them for $10. And they're not bad, they're not that creased. They're still a little bit white, so I feel like you just gotta get insoles, some laces, and you could easily flip them for 40 bucks all day.
Well, unfortunately, we didn't really have that good of luck at this one, but we're headed to the next one. Let's hope we have better luck there. Well, store number 2, no luck at all. And it makes me kind of think of how blessed I am to be living in South Florida, because I can literally hit one store and leave with a full cart just by getting the new racks off that one store. So it's like, living down South Florida, we are very blessed because we have so much stuff. I could never imagine anyone living North Florida or Colorado trying to make a full-time living reselling clothes, because it's just they don't find enough stuff. And it makes sense because there's resellers in North Florida that always talk shit about how they can't make enough money selling clothes, and that's why they sell courses and all that bullshit. But down South Florida, we actually can make money reselling clothes because we get a good amount of stuff. Like I say, I go to one thrift store and I can leave with a trash bag full of stuff just off the new racks, not even hitting the old racks. So let's hit up a Salvation Army and let's kind of continue. But so far this vlog has been kind of shitty because we're not finding anything good. So I came into Salvation Army, a couple quick finds, but there was somebody else grabbing. I did find this single stitch Kennedy Space Center shirt. Failure is not an option. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get this University Orlando Mardi Gras 2018 shirt. This Bike Week, I just thought that the graphic was sick. It's 2013, has like a wolf on the back. And then here's a color changing shirt, the Del Sol. It's gonna be for my personal collection. And then also I found these size 12 Air Forces. I think I'm just gonna clean them up and keep them for myself because they are my size. I've never seen a thrift store with this like unorganized shoes. It's literally just thrown everywhere. So we did find a few shirts. We found this basic Nike Essential, little gray tag with a little embroidered swoosh. Rage Against the Machine shirt. I like the colors of this Hard Rock Bahamas. I just think it was a pretty cool shirt. And look at this, like patchwork, like all over print. I just liked it for myself. So a couple finds. I did get these for the personal. Abercrombie & Fitch. I've never had these pair of pants before, but they're size 32, and I just need like some nice beige dress pants for when I don't want to wear jeans. I thought this shirt was kind of cool. I stand for the flag and I kneel before God, because all the controversy with the kneeling and the football.
this reprint Boys in the Hood. I just like that big graphic, and for $1 I really can't go wrong. And then I found this. I'm pretty sure this is a made up shirt, but I just like it. I love my fan like Kanye loves Kanye. The fact that it says Kanye on it, I feel like I'm just gonna get it. It's only $1.50. It's probably someone made it, but usually when they make them they don't say Kanye on them, so I'm just gonna get these 3-4 items. Look at the shoes, but nothing else. I got here kind of late, so got the rest of the stuff. So I'm only grabbing this because it's $1, but I just felt like it was cool. Big print USA Eagles shirt on the Fruit of the Loom. Again, I love this print. It's like realistic as hell. National Zoo. These animals. Again on the Fruit of the Loom heavy. It's only $1. I don't know what this is. It's Disney Pixar, but obviously it's Woody, but I don't know how legit it would be. But I figured I'm still gonna grab it. Umbro shorts, probably gonna keep these for the personal. New York Islanders jersey. And this cool DC. I remember these at PacSun back in the day. I'll be honest, I don't know if these are authentic or not, but they were $3, so I literally just put them onto my bag. I spent $12 on everything. I don't know if they're legit, but I got everything that I showed you guys, and then these for $12. So I mean, it can't go wrong at all. It has the Nike Air in the back, but I got to do more research. Oh shit, it's at $39.99. I just got it for $3. Oh my god! If you look at that, I was like, oh, it doesn't have a price on it. He's like, you want them? I was like, yeah. He's like, all right, $4 or $3. But it actually had a $40 price tag. That's wild. Let's see, we got some Air Forces for $20. It seems like they're corduroy. And I don't know the size. The size is a size 5Y. Just found these for $6. It's basically the same brand as Birkenstock. As you see, original Birkenstock. It's called Batula. It's like one of their sister brands, but it's a really good deal. Inside the case they have Ferragamo women's for $200. And then look at all the sneakers that they have behind there. It's like all BS stuff, not even good sneakers. I don't know why they're putting all those behind there. Now I guess we'll just leave with the stuff we got.
Well, leaving store number 4, I believe. 3, 4. I left with those sandals and all the shirts that I showed you. Now I'm gonna quickly go to Platos Closet. I looked up, there's not much other thrift stores really in the area. There's one like 20-30 minutes away, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to go back to and hang out with the family. It's currently 11:30 now, so I've been gone for about 2.5 hours. So let's go hit up Platos Closet, let's see how that is, and then I'm gonna kind of just head back home and celebrate Christmas Eve. I wasn't even planning on thrifting today, but I figured, you know what, let me get out and hit some thrifts. So at least we did find something. At least it's not completely dry, but let's hope we have some luck in Platos Closet.
Well, came into Platos, some clearance. They have these Jordan 1 seamless, 35 half off. I found these Reeboks. I'm probably gonna try them out for myself, but 35 half off. And then these Sperry's, 25 half off, all my size. You have the bootleg Balenciagas. Looks just like them. Let's see, we have some Nike Reacts. 40 bucks, size 11.5. Jordan Futures, 40 bucks. Let's see if we can find any other sneakers. These Air Maxes, 35. Some Pumas, 45. Adidas, Fila. Some Ultra Boost for 45. Pink Dolphin slides, 14. BMW slides, 20 bucks. Look at these. Denim, 25. Some Air Force Ones. My size, 40 bucks though. Adidas Boost, 45. It seems like most of the shoes are about $45. Air Force One mids, $55. Oh wow, look, fucking awesome Vans collab, but they want $55. I'm gonna look up how much they go for, but 55 seems like it's pretty expensive regardless. Pretty sure this is a reprint, but this is cool. Bob Marley, One Love Reggae, double-sided. And it's only $6. Definitely gonna grab that. Just found this vintage jersey tag. I'm not really familiar with this. I don't know if it's a game. Star Base Omega, 1990. I'm gonna put it in my pile though. So I've actually thrifted this shirt before. Alien Invaders, number 23. Doesn't have a date on it. I remember the one I thrifted had a date on it, but we'll put that to the side too. I haven't seen this brand in a while. Play Cloths. Got the Play, and then I saw Crooks and Castles.
Well, that Platos Closet wasn't too bad. I ended up spending $95, but I ended up getting the fucking awesome Vans for $55. All comps, I haven't even seen really those for sale, but ones that I have seen for sale are about 100 plus, so I feel like easily I could probably sell them for $80 or so. And then all those shirts, really good, like that Bob Marley, probably a $40 bill. But like I said, now I'm gonna head home and spend time with family because it is Christmas Eve. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Come back tomorrow for another video at 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.